I'm going to talk about outgoing patterns. So there's some positive P&A. Let's go to next 24 hours, 7 p.m. There's still some positive P&A. Let's go to next hour day. It's going to be negative P&A. Let's go to 7 p.m. There's some positive P&A. Let's go to, so it's going to be positive P&A, but it's going to be negative after it. So let's talk about the pressure patterns. So 1000 millibars of pressure is also 994, also 992. So let's go to 24 hours after that. So 1012 millibars of pressure, 1008 millibars of pressure. Let's talk about the next hour, 7 p.m. actually. So 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to December 13th. So 1016 and it's going to be off pressure. So let's go to 7 p.m. This 1028 and 1024 millibars of pressure. So London, Hamilton, Burlington, Mississauga, Brampton, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangeville, Barrie, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Zorilla, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Sudbury, Midland, Whitehaven, Owenstown, Collingwood, Port Hanover, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough. Peterborough's different. So Niagara on Lake, Niagara Falls, City Point, Erie, Gwyn's White. Those it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Cobourg. No, Peterborough is going to be 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Belleville is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So it's 7 a.m. So Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salabay, Barrie, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls, City Point, Erie, London. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Hamilton, Burlington, actually. So let's go to 1 p.m. So London, Port Elgin, Hanover, Barrie, Georgina, Beverly Hills, so Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Bay. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Collingwood's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So Niagara on the Lake, Port Elgin, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Barrie, Beverly Hills, those Uxbridge, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. So London's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. Port Elgin, Hanover, Midland, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Salt Bay. So let's go to 7 p.m. So Whitehaven, Lionshead, Bay, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Midland, Orlilla, Port Elgin, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Salt Bay is actually gonna also 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 7 a.m. So Whitehaven, Owenstown, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salt Bay, Barrie, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Scarborough, Stouffville, Dr. Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Hamilton, Burlington, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls, City Point, Erie, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Peterborough, Cobourg, Belleville, London. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. That's too heavy precipitation. So Port Elgin's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Hopes Bay 0.25. 2.5 is in Lion's Head. So 1 p.m. So Scarborough, Stouffville, downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Whitehaven, Owenstown, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Salt Bay, Midland, Orlilla, Lion's Head or Bay is going to be 0.25 millimeters of rain snowfall. But actually, Wolves Bay could get some 2.5 millimeters in snowfall. So Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls, C4 area is going to be, boy, Elgin, Hanover, going to be 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Long Point is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 7 p.m. So line said obey White Channel and some Boreal, Hanover, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solid Bay. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 a.m. So Port Elgin, Hanover, Owen Sound, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Solid Bay, Midland, Barrie. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 1 p.m. So White and Owen Sound, Collingwood, Blindsaid, Bay, Port Elgin, Hanover, Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So Warriorton, Collingwood, Niagara on the Lake, it's going to be 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So total precipitation once every 12 hours. It could be 7 or 8 p.m. So I could do 7 p.m. also. Let's correct this. So London is 11 millimeters of rain, 5 millimeters of rain, Whitetown 9 millimeters of rain, Collingwood, Brampton 7, Stouffville 9, Scarborough 9, Toronto 9, Newmarket 8, Uxbridge 9, Oshawa is 11, 14 Peterborough, Quebec 9 Peterborough, Belleville 12, 8 Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City is 11, Hamilton is 8 millimeters, Mississauga 7 millimeters, 8 millimeters is going to be in Burlington. Green is 8 millimeters. Orangeville is 7 millimeters. So Oakville is 8 millimeter. Actually, it's going to be 7 millimeters. So in Oakville. So Palm Beach is 6. No, it's going to be 6 millimeters. Thunder Beach, Solid Bay is going to be 5 millimeters. Hopes Bay is going to be 5 millimeters. Lion's Head is going to be 4 millimeters. Hope's base actually is going to be 4 millimeters. 3 millimeters is in Lion's Head. So Barry's 8 millimeters. Georginia is going to be 8 millimeters. Beverly Hills is 8. So 6 millimeters. So 7 millimeters of rainfall in Orella. So for area not easily counts. So like Orella is going to be, let's correct it, it's going to be 6 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to 24 hours after that. They could do 7 p.m. So London 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, Collingwood. This is millimeters of precipitation, any precipitation, freezing rain, sleet. So freezing rain, mostly freezing rain, sleet, snowfall, freezing rain, snowfall. So those actually precipitation. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be, Palm Beach is actually 2.5. Solid Base, Thunder Beach is 4 millimeters. Solid Base is actually 0.7 millimeters. Barrie is going to be 3 millimeters. Beverly Hills is going to be 1.7 millimeters. Georginia is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Niagara on the Lake 0.7. Niagara Falls City is going to be 0.2 lightest. IB is 0.6. So Port Elgin is 0.7. Hanover is going to be 0.7. So let's go to 7 p.m. after. So 68 hours. So Whiteton. Owen Sound is going to be 0.6 or 7 millimeters of rainfall. Lionside will be 0.7. Bobby 0.7. Thunder Beach is going to be 1.7 millimeters. Solid Bay is going to be 2.5. Midland is going to be 1.2 millimeters. Orlella is going to be 1.2 millimeters. Port Elgin Honor is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Georginia is going to be 0.2 millimeters. So let's go to 24 hours after that. So in Scarborough, Scarborough is 0.7 millimeters, but it's going to be 0.2. So Stouffville is 0.2, Delta, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket is going to be 0.2, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville is going to be 0.2, Niagara on the Lake is going to be 0.7. Niagara Falls City is going to be heavy is 1.2, but it's going to be 1 millimeters, the mean average. So the Port Elgin is going to be 2.5. Hanover is going to be 1.2 millimeters. Whitetown is 3 millimeters. Hopes Bay is going to be 4 millimeters. Lionshead is going to be 3 millimeters. So Lionshead. So actually 4 millimeters. Lionshead Hope Bay. So Thunder Beach for solid base actually, let's see the temperature. So precipitation actually is going to be 3 millimeters. Bomb base is actually going to be 1.2 millimeters. Orilla is going to be 0.7. Peterborough 1. Coburg's 2. Balval's 2. Ashford's 0.7. Uxbridge 0.7. For Erie is going to be, it's going to be 1.1 millimeters. Actually, so let's go to 7 p.m. The Y10 Owen Sound is no Y10 is 0.7, so 1.1 is Owen Sound, Collingwood is 1.2 millimeters, Port Elgin 0.7, Ottawa 0.7, Niagara on the Lake is 0.7, London is 0.2, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, it's going to be 0.2, 0.7 millimeters. Barry 0.7. So those cities are gonna so don't need to say those. So Hope's base actually is going to be 1.1. Line says 1.1. So let's look at winter precipitation. So December 1 centimeters is in London. Newmarket 6.7. Snowfall 7.1. Downtown Toronto is going to be 5.2. Brampton's 4.6. So Ashford is 7.9, Uxbridge 7.4, Peterborough 7.6, Coburg 8.8, Balval is 9.9, Collingwood is 7.5, 3.4 Wyatan. So Orangeville 6.0, Hamilton 3.0. So 9.9 Niagara on Lake, 4.6 Niagara Falls City, 480 is going to be 2.5 centimeters. So Oakville's actually is going to be So Oracle's actually is going to be for 2.5 millimeters. So actually, yeah, it is 2.5. So Mississauga is going to be 4.5. No, it's going 4.4 centimeters. Downtown Toronto 5.2, 6 centimeters in Scarborough actually. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay. No, Palm Beach is actually is going to be middle. It's going to be 4 centimeters. Thunder Beach is going to be 4 centimeters. Solid Bay is going to be 4 centimeters. Midland is going to be 4 centimeters. So Hope's Bay is actually going to be. So Hope's Bay is actually going to be like 3.4 centimeters. Line set is actually going to be 2.7 centimeters. So let's Niagara Falls City 4.6 centimeters for area. Don't use the count. It could be, but it's going to be 2.5 centimeters. So let's go to next 24 hours. Gonna skip today's instead. You could skip. So London's 2.4 centimeters, 4.3 centimeters Collingwood, Newmarket 0.7, 0.7, Uxbridge 0.1, Oshawa 0.2, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City 0.3, 0.2, Hanover, no, Port Elgin, Hanover 0.2. So Bomb Beach is actually going to be, so it's actually going to be 2.5 centimeters. Same thing in Thunder Beach. Thunder Beach is 2.6. Solid Bay is 0.2 centimeters. Barry is actually going to be Barrie is going to be, no, Barrie's actually is going to be 2.5. Beverly Isles is going to be 2.5. So it's actually 2.2 centimeters. Georginia's actually 0.2. So let me like so London is 2.4 for 0.2. So let's look at the next 24 hours after that. So 8 p.m. Let's see how long the video is going to be. 15 minutes. So 0.5 Whitetown, 0.1 Collingwood, Port Elgin 0.2, but it's actually 0.5. So Bomb Beach is actually going to be close to 2.5, so it's going to be 2.3 centimeters. Thunder Beach is going to be 1.6 centimeters. Solid Base actually is going to be 2.5 centimeters. Midland is going to be and Orla's actually is going to be same precipitation mass, so 1.6 centimeters. Georgina is 0.2 centimeters. 0.2 is Peterborough. Newmark is 0.1. Port Elgin is 0.5. Hanover is going to be 0.5 centimeters. So let's go to 24 hours after that. It could be 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. So 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. So 1.2.2 is Whitetown, 0.6 Collingwood, Brampton 0.4, Stouffville 0.3, Downtown Toronto 0.3, Scarborough 0.3, Uxbridge 0.2, Newmarket 0.1, Oshawa 0.4, Peterborough 1.0, Cobourg is 1.9, Belleville 1.4, Niagara on the Lake 0.2, Niagara Falls 0.7, 0. No, it's gonna be closer. So it's actually 0.2. So Port Elgin is actually going to be 2.5. Hanover is going to be 0.7 centimeters. Palm Beach is going to be 0.7 centimeters. So Thunder Beach is actually 1.2. Solid Bay is actually going to be 2.5 centimeters. Let's do it again. So Thunder Beach is actually going to be 4 centimeters, and for Solid Base actually is going to be 2.5 centimeters. So Midland is actually 0.2, but it's actually going to be higher. So let's see, 0.6 centimeters in Midland or La. So so Hope's Bay is actually is going to be 1.2 millimeters. 1.2. So 1.2 centimeters. Lion's Head is actually is going to be Lion's Head is actually is going to be 2.5 centimeters. That's Lion's Head. So let's go to 24. So 7 p.m. So 0.6 wire ton. So 1.7 Collingwood, 0.1 is London, Stouffville 0.2, 0.1 is in downtown Toronto. Scarborough is going to be 0.115 centimeters. Oshawa is 0.2, 0.2 Newmarket, Orange is nothing, or it could get 0.2 also. So Palm Beach, on the beach is actually going to be not on the beach. So it's going to be 0.2 centimeters in Palm Beach. 0.2, no, it's gonna be actually it's gonna be 1.2 centimeters in Orange Sound and Palm Beach. Hope's Bay is actually 1.2 centimeters in Hope's Bay. Lion City is actually going to be 1.2. 0.4 is Niagara on the Lake. Niagara Falls City is 0.2, 0 point something. So Port Elgin is going to be 0.6. Hanover is going to be 0.2 centimeters. So 0.2 centimeters, 0.4 and 0.2 is Green Spy. Let's actually check everything. So Barrie is going to be 0.2. So those are the places. The rest of the cities is nothing. So total sleet is going. Actually, let's talk about the temperature pattern. So temperature pattern, air temperature pattern, not feels like. So 1 degree in London, 1 degree in Brampton, dot is 1 degrees, Stouffville 0 degrees, Scarborough 1 degree, Southside 1 degrees, 1 degree in Cuba, 1 degree in Peterborough, 1 degree in Belleville, Niagara on the Lakes 2 degrees, Niagara Falls City is 1 degrees, Hamilton is 2 degrees, Oakville is 2 degrees. 3 degrees minus 3. Collingwood is minus 2. Line said Obey is going to be 3 -3 degrees. Solid base, no, Hope's base axis is minus 2. Bomb Beach minus 3. Thunder Beach is actually minus 2. Solid base axis minus 2. Midland is actually minus 2. The Berries minus 2. Georginia minus 1. Valley Isles minus 1. Orilla is going to be minus. So minus 2 is actually Orilla. Newmarket is Wilkes-Barre 0 -1. Orangeville is minus 2. Port Elgin minus 3. Hannah is minus 3. Port Aries 3 degrees. So minus 2. No, that's minus 3. Oh, it sounds. So let's talk about the next hour. Actually, let's look at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. Let's do 8. 7 a.m. Actually 8. Pick a random hour. So it's gonna be 7 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. So London's minus 8, minus 10, Bytown minus 8. Collingwood, most of Southern Ontario, the city mean average is actually between minus 8 and minus 12. So minus 5 is Niagara on the lake, Niagara Falls City, minus 7. Brampton, minus 10, minus 11. Stowe, minus 8. Downtown Toronto, Newmarket is minus 11. Orangeville, minus 7. Uxbridge, minus 9, 12. Oshawa is minus 11. Coburg, minus 12. Peterborough, minus 16. Belleville, minus 14. Hamilton, minus 7. Oakville is going to be minus 7. Minus 7. Queens Valley, minus 5. So Fort Erie is going to be minus 4 degrees. Lion's Head or Bay is going to be minus 7. Actually, minus 7 is possible. So I'm going to skip that. So Berry is actually is going to be minus 13, no, 14 degrees. Georginia is going to be minus 10 degrees. Beverly Isles is going to be minus 11 degrees. Actually, no, minus 11 degrees possible. So Orlando minus 17. So Palm Beach is actually minus 13. Solid Bay is minus 13. So no, Thunder Beach is actually minus 7 or 8. It's gonna be 9, minus 9 actually. So minus 5 London, minus 9 Whiteham, minus 8 Collingwood, Brampton minus 7, minus 9 is in minus 9 is Dover, Scarborough minus 8, minus 6 is in Toronto, Newmarket, Orangeville minus 9, Uxbridge minus 7, Oshawa minus 9, Peterborough minus 12, Coburg minus 8, Belleville minus 11, minus 4, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City is minus 6, Hamilton minus 4, Oakville minus 4, Queensway minus 4, Lionshead Bay is going to be minus something. So skip that. Let's Bomb Beach is minus 8. Thunder Beach is actually going to be 7 degrees. No, it's going to be 7 degrees possible. 8 degrees in Salt Bay is actually 8 degrees. So Barrie is going to be 9 degrees. 9 degrees in Georginia Beverly Isles. Orlilla is going to be 11 degrees, minus 11 actually. So Port Elgin minus 7. Hanover is going to be minus 8 degrees. What area? So let's look at next hour, 7, 8 a.m. So London is minus 7, Bytown minus 5, Collingwood minus 7, Brampton minus 10, Newmarket, Stouffville minus 11, 8, minus 8 is downtown Toronto, Scarborough, but Scarborough skip that, so Oshawa is minus 9, Uxbridge minus 10, Peterborough minus 10, minus 11, 7 is going to be Coburg, minus 12, Balfour, Niagara on the Lake minus 6, minus 9, Niagara Falls City, or 80. So Orange was minus 10. So line said Bay is going to be minus 5 degrees, minus 4. So Palm Beach is going to be so minus 3 degrees is minus 2 is in Palm Beach. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 2. Solid Bay is minus 2. Midland, those really count. So Berry is going to be minus 8. Or Georginia's actually is going to be minus 6. Beverly Isles is going to be -7. Olilla is going to be minus something. So minus 10 degree. Actually, it's going to be different temperatures. So Orilla is going to be -7 degrees. Let's look at 3 p.m. So London -6, Whitehall -1, Collingwood -3, Brampton store 4, Toronto -2, Scarborough super -2.5, Orange Falls, Newmarket -3, Uxbridge -4, Peterborough -4, Oshawa -3, Coburg -2, Belleville -4, Niagara on the Lake -2, Niagara Falls Cities -3, Hamilton -2, Oakville -2. So Port Elgin is -1, Hanover is going to be -1. No, it's going to be -2, -3. It could be -3 actually in Hanover. So Palm Beach is -1, Salt Lake Bay is going to be +1, Thunder Beach +1, Queens Bay is -2, Mississauga is going to be -2 degrees. So let's Barrie is -3, Georginia is -2, Orilla is going to be -2, Beverly Hills is -3 degrees. Let's do next hour, 7 a.m. Actually, so London's -5, -4, Whiteham, -4, Collingwood, -6, Brampton, Stoffel, -3, Downtown Toronto, Oshawa, -7, Newmarket, Orangeville, Uxbridge, -6, Peterborough, -5, Coburg, -2, Belleville, -3, Niagara on the Lake, -2, Niagara Falls City, -3, Hamilton, Hamilton -3, Oakville -3, Scarborough is going to be around them. Still -3 is in Mississauga, so Scarborough is actually -3.5, actually 4, -4 is possible. So Niagara Falls City is -3, -2 Niagara on the Lake, -2 is good fine. So Lionshead Bay is going to be -3 degrees. Palm Beach -5, Salt Lake Bay is -4. Thunder Beach is going to be -2 degrees. Barrie -6. Orilla is going to be -6 degrees. Georginia -5. Beverly Isles is going to be -6. Orange Sound -4. So -6 in Whiteham, -6 in Collingwood, -10 London, -6 Brampton, Stoffel, -5 is in Outer Toronto, Scarborough -5.5, Russia -5, -5 Peterborough, -4 Belvoir, -3 Coburg, everywhere in Niagara Falls -6, Winslow -6, Hamilton -6, -5, no, -6 in Oakville, Scarborough's, no, Mississauga is -6, 5, Scarborough -5.5. 5 Newmarket, Orangeville, Uxbridge, going to be -7 degrees, -6 Fort Erie, Orange Sun -6. Lions Head, Obey is going to be -5 degrees, Palm Beach -4. So Thunder Beach, Solid Bay is going to be -3 degrees. So Barrie is actually -7. Georginia is going to be -5. Orilla is going to be -5. Beverly Isles -7 degrees. So let's go to next 24 hours with Boswell. So let's go to 8 a.m. 7 a.m. actually. So London -17, Whitehall -10, including Owen Sound, Collingwood -9. Lions Head, Obey is going to be -7, -7, or yes, possible. So Brampton -11, -13 is in store for Richmond Hill is going to be -12 or -11. It could be -12 actually. So Mississauga is -10, Downtown Toronto -10, Scarborough -11, Oshawa -14, -13 in Uxbridge -12, Newmarket, Orangeville -11, Peterborough is going to be -15, Coburg is going to be -12, -17 Belvoir, Niagara on the Lake -13, Niagara Falls City is -15, Hamilton -11, Oakville, Burlington -11 including Oakville. So Palm Beach is going to be -7 degrees. Thunder Beach is actually -5. Salt Bay is actually going to be -9 degrees. Berry -11. Georginia is -9. Orella -14. Beverly Isles -12. -12. Sanguine 5. So let's look at the next hour, 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. actually. So -7 is in Whitehall, -6 Collingwood, -7 in London, -7 Brampton, Stowfall, -9 -6 Scarborough is going to be -8 or 7. It's going to be 7.5. Richmond Hill is going to be -8. Newmark is -9. Skip Orange. Uxbridge -10 or sorry -8. -9 Peterborough, -7 Coburg, -9 Belval, -6 Niagara on Lake, -8 Niagara Falls City, Hamilton -6, 5 Hooko -5, down to Toronto something else. So -6 is in Mississauga. So Lines and Hopes is going to be -7 degrees. So Bomb Beach is going to be -6 going. So Thunder Beach is actually -5. Solid Bay is actually -6 degrees. Let's start for Toronto again. -6 is in Mississauga. Richmond Hill is actually is going to be -8 degrees. Scarborough is going to be -8 or 7.5 actually. So let's see if it goes over the limit. It's going 132 hours. So that's the end of the video. This is the end of the video actually. So